Not so long time ago, I have introduced you the possibility of having old antique lenses on the Canon Eosm using an adapter from C mount to the EFM mount. And when I'm talking to you of antiques, old lenses, I'm not talking about, photo camera lenses. I'm talking about video camera lenses. For example, like this one. This is the Bell & Howell for 16 millimeter films, and those have a C-mount lenses, and those C-mount lenses like this one are perfect with an adapter, of course, to the Canon Eosm. And these lenses, like these ones, if you haven't watched my videos, I will put up like here, the footage where I am showing some clips filmed with this lens, and I really like very much this lens. So what is nice about this, that these lenses are coming from the 1940s, 50s, 60s, and they are really special lenses. I mean, people paid maybe more attention how to build them, and they are just unique. And the possibility to be able to reutilize, to use in these modern times, that's just wonderful. Now today, I want to introduce you another lens. This one, this lens, just looking at the lens already, it's a beauty design-wise. This lens is a French manufactured lens, is SOM Berthiot. It's a 50mm lens with a maximum aperture of f2, so it's not that fast, but it's fast enough. Now, design-wise and the build quality, it's amazing. Let me just show you a little bit closer how this lens looks like. This lens is such a beauty. Like, look at this design and the quality. Like, this is metal. The front is well protected, again with a metal element, and the backside also, it's really well protected metal element. So let me just show you the right. So it is written SOM Berthiot. So this is the French producer, right? And you can find the name inscripted here also, right? It is a CINOR line, and it's a 50mm with an f2. Now the rings are moving smoothly, and this is just beautiful. Front element, and the back element. Let me just unscrew it so you have a better view. Now, I had the chance to get a lens that the glass inside is extremely clean, no fungus, no nothing inside. The lenses are really well inside, so they are well protected. And if you can see in the backward, the interior lens is really big, is as big as the circle of the C-mount. So that means it covers really well the sensor of the Canon Eosm. So having this big lens, glass, it helps us to use really the high resolution presets in the Magiclantern. So yeah, it's really beautiful. Unfortunately, these lenses can get really expensive on the market because they are considered as collectibles, not really for the image quality or video capabilities, but for the design and being collectibles. I mean, they're really beautiful as they were built. Such a beauty. Now, let me just put it on the Canon Eosm and let's see how images are looking like going throughout these beautiful lens. So here I am on the SOM Berthiot CINOR line old camera vintage lens with a C-mount lens, and I am on the Cropmood 1:3 preset 5.2K 14 bits RAW. And because it's a 50mm lens, I really need space for it, so I'm quite far away from the lens. And this is how it looks like on a SOM Berthiot CINOR line C-mount vintage lens at 50mm. And as I told you, because it's a 50mm, in the crop mode, I think we are around 80mm, and so I have to be quite far away. And being far away, you can see how close the image it is. But this is how it is. Let me try to get a little bit further away from the camera. So I managed to get a little bit more far away from the camera, but still it's kind of close-up shot. This is the best that I can do. But again, I really think that I should take it outside and film where it's just a lot of space, because inside, I mean, it's just impossible, the 50mm. Only if I just want to get really close and to see only my face. Before going outside, I just wanted to test this other format also. So this is in the 16:9, and I'm using the Cropmood 1:3 at 4.5K 14 bits RAW Cropmood preset. And yeah, I just wanted to test out the 16:9 because I saw that the highest resolution, meaning the Cropmood 1:3, 5.2K and 14 bits RAW preset, working without any problems. And now the format, but the 16:9 also, it is working seamlessly with the SOM Berthiot 50mm f2 maximum aperture C-mount lens. So this is just great. And as I told you, I will go outside and film, and I will try both of the presets, the 5.2K with the aspect ratio of 2.35 and the 16:9 that I'm filming right now. So let's just go outside and watch the clips that I have filmed with the SOM Berthiot 50mm C-mount lens.